Hi everyone, this is Mark Buckles for New Mexico State University Carlsbad. This VoiceThread PowerPoint presents information on small groups and small group communication, areas of interest impacting workplace communication. Among the goals in Learning Module 12 are to learn about the nature and type of small groups and to learn to use small groups to achieve a variety of personal, social, and professional goals. A small group is a collection of individuals who are connected to one another by some common purpose. These individuals are interdependent, have a degree of organization among them, and see themselves as a group. A team is a particular type of small group. It is constructed for specific tasks, whose members have clearly defined roles and are committed to achieving the same content-focused goal. Small group communication follows stages of interpersonal interaction. Not unlike conversation, small groups move through opening, feed-forward, business, feedback, and closing stages. Formats for small group assume classic configurations. In a roundtable format, group interaction is informal, and members contribute as they see fit to information share or problem solve. A leader or moderator may be present. In a panel format, group members are experts and participate in discussions before an audience whose members ask questions or comment. In a symposium format, each member delivers a prepared presentation, much like a public speech. All speeches are addressed to different aspects of the same topic. The symposium forum consists of two parts: a symposium with prepared speeches, and a forum with questions from the audience and responses by the speakers. A moderator introduces the speakers and conducts the question and answer session. Small groups develop their own culture. Especially relevant to understanding the cultural dimension of small groups are the group norms and the high or low context with which the group operates. Group norms are rules or standards identifying appropriate behavior. Sometimes these rules are clearly stated and explicit, sometimes more implicit. Norms apply to individuals as well as to whole groups. Power is what enables one person to control behaviors of others, and power permeates all small groups. One may have legitimate power related to leadership roles, referent power when others identify with one, reward and/or coercive power, expert power, and information or persuasive power. Now let's consider the variety and purposes of small groups. Idea generation groups are small groups that exist to generate ideas and often follow a brainstorming pattern. Among the rules for effective brainstorming are: don't criticize, develop the wildest ideas possible, combine and extend ideas, and strive for quantity. Among the most famous types of personal growth groups are encounter groups, assertiveness training groups, and consciousness raising groups. The rules for these groups may be unique, but generally all members speak in turn. Among well-known information sharing groups are focus groups and educational learning groups. Again, members speak in turn, although other unique rules may influence group behavior. American philosopher John Dewey, 1910, is known for the problem-solving sequence often adopted by problem-solving groups. First, the problem is defined and analyzed. Then, criteria for evaluating solutions are established. Next, the group identifies possible solutions. Then the solutions are evaluated and the group selects the best solution, given the established criteria. Finally, the selected solutions are tested and the problem is solved, or the group returns to step 1. In defining and analyzing the problem's duration and its causes and effects are identified. Both practical and value criteria are established to evaluate solutions. With a focus on quantity, possible solutions are reached through brainstorming. Solutions are evaluated from a variety of points of view. Both fact and feeling are brought to bear. Both a negative argument against a solution and the positive benefits of a solution are presented. Thinking outside the box and creative new ideas are deliberately pursued. Control of thinking focuses on the various thought processes the group has been discussing. Decisions can be made by authority, majority rule, or consensus, with consensus the ideal. In testing selected solutions, the group may repeat the entire process if solutions prove ineffective, or may select another of the solutions to test. Of course, the problem may be reanalyzed and other solutions identified, after a restatement of evaluation criteria. In the nominal group technique, limited discussion and confidential voting is used to obtain a group decision. After the problem is clarified, all members write down ideas. Each member states one idea from a list. Each suggestion is clarified without debate. Each member rank orders the suggestions in writing, and the rankings of the members are combined to achieve a group ranking. Discussion ensues to clarify and possibly reorder. High-ranking solutions may be put into operation and tested. In the Delphi method, a group of experts communicate by repeatedly responding to questionnaires, with no interaction between them. In a quality circle, members are selected from the workers whose area is being studied. The basic assumption is that these workers combine insights and work through shared problems. Quality circle groups investigate problems using any methods they believe might be helpful. This concludes Learning Module 12's PowerPoint lecture on small groups and small group communication. Next, we'll consider members and leaders in small groups.